Good morning, good afternoon, or very good evening to all the students and teachers watching this video. First of all, I would like to wish all of you a very happy Ganesh Festival on behalf of our own YouTube channel, that is My Online English Class. In this video, we are going to see how to write an essay on Eco-Friendly Ganesh Festival. Kindly subscribe the channel if you have not done it yet. Students, we all know that celebrating Ganesh Festival in eco-friendly manner is very important nowadays. So let us see how to write an essay on this particular topic. Ganesh Chaturthi, also known as Vinayak Chaturthi, is an important Hindu festival celebrating the arrival of Lord Ganesh. The festival is marked with the installation of Ganesh clay idols, privately in homes and publicly as well. This festival lasts for 10 days. On the 10th day, the Ganesh idols are immersed in a nearby water bodies such as lake, well, river or sea. These 10 days are celebrated with friends, family and relatives. Due to corona pandemic, this festival is celebrated on very small scale for last 1 year, but normally this festival takes place on a large scale. This leads to several environmental issues. The immersion of Ganesh idols and other materials like flowers, decoration items lead to water pollution. The huge loudspeakers played throughout the festival increases noise pollution. Firecrackers used during the procession leads to air pollution. Looking at all these hazards, we should change the way celebrate Ganesh festival. We should use Ganesh idols made of shadu that dissolves in water. We should practice one idol per village or area or society. The immersion can be done at home using small water tanks. The resulting clay can be used for plants, or we can use permanent idols made of metal or marble stone. We should use eco-friendly material like flowers, leaves or paper for the decoration. There should be a limit on the use of loudspeakers. If we follow these practices, then every Ganesh festival will bring joy to our lives for sure.